If your air fryer is busted and you are looking for a new one, or if you are a newcomer and you're looking for a really good air fryer choice, I don't know, this might be the one for you, so stay tuned and let's see. Welcome back. Hope you all are well. Today we are reviewing the Gourmia Digital Air Fryer. This is such a beautiful air fryer. Now, we got this particular air fryer from Costco's. If you know Costco's, you know that they tend to kind of display items or bring really nice items into their store that they're not going to have there for a long time. But I was able to find this on Amazon, so rest assured I will be able to link it in the description box below. As you can see here, it was very quick for us to unpackage it. It's only 2 pieces that come inside of the tray itself, a rack as well as a ventilator for the bottom of the tray. So as you can see, you just put the ventilator in the bottom and then you put the rack on top of it and you're done. You're ready to start cooking. So this is the manual that kind of shows you everything that you need to do and how to properly get your air fryer set up. So the manual is very descriptive and it has a lot of information in it. It also comes with a cookbook, which is great and extremely convenient because you will need to at least figure out or know how to work the buttons and everything. So one of the things that we're going to do first is fry up some chicken. As you can see, our drumsticks are very fat. We love fat drumsticks. And we put 5 on the bottom and then we ended up deciding to just put 2 on the top. But we did have 12 pieces of chicken that we were going to cook. As you can see here, we are going to set up our air fryer to cook on 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now, this was our first time using it. We have since figured out how to use it more efficiently. So after 15 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. It practically was done. We could have actually finished it there, but one of the things that I noticed was that rack is really great at cooking your food really quickly. So the chicken drumsticks that were on the top were actually cooked more than the drumsticks on the bottom. So after another 10 to 15 minutes, this is what the last remaining 4 pieces looks like. And this is the finished product. This is my food. I like my chicken cooked a little bit longer than my husband's, and it turned out absolutely delicious. So we have had this air fryer for 4 years now. We got it in 2020 and it is going strong. We cook just about any and everything inside of this air fryer. So if you are looking for an air fryer that is going to give you some delicious food and it's going to stay in great condition for a long time, you probably want to check this one out. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.